Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our 2022 Tiguan that we have here in the lot. This comes with the R-Line package. Beautiful white exterior with a nice black interior. Blacked out sunroof with panoramic glass. Coming around to the second row bench here. These are fully fold down, so you could fold them flat for extra storage space. But rear seat space is ample with ventilation and USB-C and 12-volt charging. Trunk space is massive. To fold down the second row here, you would just pull those levers there, and you'd get a nice 60-40 split. You'll notice the beautiful blacked out rims here as part of the package on this vehicle. Jumping on into the driver's seat, you'll see this beautiful upgraded Volkswagen steering wheel, heated steering. You have all of your safety features. Currently sitting at 12,287 kilometers. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, quick image of the backup camera that's currently pointed up to the sky. You have USB charging, USB-C charging, key wireless charging, automatic climate control, dual zone, and remote start. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you this beautiful up-to-date 2022 model that we have here on the lot. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions that you may have. Thank you for your time.